How to activate Natwest Debit Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open a web browser. Click search icon at top and type in natwest.com. Now press enter on your keyboard and click on the login button at top right corner of my screen. Now you land on the official interface of Natwest Debit Card, where you simply need to enter your customer number, your date of birth, or your unique ID or your 16-digit card number. Then you simply need to click continue to log in, and on the home screen you can select the account admin from the order or the online banking menu and click activate debit card. You need to enter your debit card details and review your information. Submit your request and your card will be activated. You simply need to verify it, and with that, you will activate a Natwest debit card. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.